Hey guys, what's happening? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a late N-scale unboxing video. These were two N-scale cars a buddy of mine gave me right at the holidays, and I'm just now getting ready to unbox them. First one we have is a Southern one, and we have a Union Pacific one. Both of them is manufactured by Microtrains. So I'm going to open up the Southern one first. Love the way some of these N-scale pieces are packaged. You press it out on the end, pull it out. Oh, this is a gorgeous car. Now I'll get the Union Pacific one out. Whoop. And here is the second one. I'm going to bring the camera up where you can actually look at these things up close here in a second. Check this out. Union Pacific, we can handle it. The Union Pacific Railroad people. That was the older slogan, I think, back in the 60s and 70s. But man, look at this detail. These were manufactured by Microtrains. Look at that. Got the separately applied details in there with the brake cylinders and the airlines going to it. Man, I just love these cars by Microtrains. And even's got the painted trucks on there too. They painted them gray instead of black. Really cool. Let me shift over to the Southern. Southern gives a green light to innovations. Man, look at the detail on this one too. Almost identical to the Union Pacific Boxcar 2. I have one of these Boxcars in HO as well that's made by Walthers with the 500 series number. Now this one says Insulated Super Cushion Service. The one in HO I have is Southern Serves the South. And you can take a look right there. You can see that this print is visible with the camera lens. And I love the fact that Microtrains actually takes the time to put the detail in these cars. So there are my two little N-scale cars. I'll put them behind the SD40T-2. We're going to let them run around the layout here real soon. So guys, that concludes today's unboxing. I hope all of you guys enjoyed. And it is with that, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.